We'll guide you through how to remove pivot table in Excel. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because pivot tables in Excel can sometimes become unnecessary, outdated, or cause formatting issues in a worksheet. Begin by tapping Excel to open the program on your computer. Wait for the application to load completely before moving to the next step. After Excel is open, press the Ctrl and O keys together on your keyboard to access your previous project files. This shortcut will quickly open the file browser window. Next, go to the search bar that appears inside the file browser. Click inside the search bar and type the name of your file carefully so the system can locate it without errors. Once the correct file appears in the results, select your file by clicking on it one time. After selecting the file, press the Open button to load the project into Excel. Allow the spreadsheet to finish loading before making any changes. When the project is open, move your cursor to the pivot table inside the worksheet and select it. Make sure the correct pivot table is highlighted before continuing. After that, go to the ribbon located at the top section of the Excel window. In the ribbon, locate the Options tab or the Analyze tab, depending on the version of Excel you are using. Drag your mouse pointer to that section carefully and click on it to open the available pivot table tools. Once the menu opens, look for the Select option among the commands displayed in the toolbar. Press on the Select option to reveal additional choices. From the list that appears, choose the entire pivot table option so the whole pivot table becomes highlighted. Finally, press the Delete button on your keyboard to remove the entire pivot table from the worksheet successfully. After deleting the pivot table, review the worksheet to confirm that all parts of the table have been removed correctly. If any fields, filters, or formatting remain on the sheet, click on those leftover items and delete them as well. Saving your workbook after completing these steps is also important because it ensures the changes are stored properly. To save the file, press Ctrl and S on your keyboard or use the Save option from the File menu before closing Excel.